Okay.
I'm recording.
It's the outside. See this?
Kuya, give it to me. I want to hold it.
Now let's go inside.
Yes, now let's go inside. Look at, let's say hi to the camera, Kuya.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey! Look at these.
This is the bathroom right here. This is. See it? This is our bathtub right here. This is our bathtub right here. Okay.
Kuya, Sophia's at the balcony. See, this door in the balcony.
Say hi to the camera, Jordan.
Hi, Sophia's there.
You can say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah, what you got there?
Ice cream.
He's eating Rocky Road ice cream. This is our kitchen right here. This cream soda, it's frozen, so we're defrosting it. Microwave. Let's see what's in here. We got some glass plates. Like the bowls. See what's up here. We got the plastic cup, I think. Here's the inside of the microwave. Alright. Okay. This is yeah, here's our refrigerator. And this is the closet right here. Okay, guys. Sophia, say hi to the camera.
Hi, and we're gonna show you our
We gotta show you the living room first. Tita's watching TV right now. This is my bag. Here, like. Did you know that this couch can turn into a bed? Looks like they're watching Big City Greens. Yeah, this is the room right here. And this is my beach ball. Get that out of here. This is their bathroom right here. Turn it another way. Whoa! Oh. Mirror recording inside of a mirror recording inside of mirror recording. Blah. Okay. How about this? Yo, this is tripping, cause they got so much stuff in here. So let's go look at that stuff right here. Don't even hide from me again. This is the bed right here. Snap on that. And finally, we're going to the balcony. Okay. You see the view from here. See that? We got that basketball court over there. We have the parachute pool. We got that pool where we were swimming in earlier.
And we were swimming in the deeper pool. So we can do this. Now it's go to our balcony.
This is the parachute pool. And this is the other pool where we went to earlier. Okay, and looks like that's it for today.